Well, tooth grinding in Iowa is a really big deal. Over 40% of all patients are affected by this. And what studies have shown is that it actually starts young. And they used to think 35 years ago that you outgrew it, but now we know you never outgrow the grinding. And then certain things make it worse. If you drink pop and things like that with the acid, that softens the enamel and you grind your teeth, they grind even faster. So one of the very first things, at the first sign that we see of some wear on the teeth, we recommend a night guard. And that's a special kind of hard and soft plastic that we have a special machine in our lab downstairs to make these night guards. It's just like the lab would make. And you would wear this at night. But I also have patients, I joke around, there's a driving guard. They know when they're driving, they're grinding and clenching. And so they get in the car, they pop in their night guard, and then they drive wherever they're going, and they didn't wear down their teeth, and then they pop it out and go, to work or wherever they're going shopping. And so they use it. Some of them use it when they're working on the computer. They use it whenever they know they're, grinding and clenching. And it helps protect their teeth and stop them from wearing away their teeth.